and I'm singing like,
girl, you know I want your love. Made for somebody like me. Come now, follow my.
Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. In today's video I will tell you how you can edit video like this in Alight Motion. So my name is Antias and you are watching NKTechShort YouTube channel. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, you guys open the Alight Motion app. If you don't have the app, you will find the app link in the description. So first of all, you have to add your video or image on timeline. I have added a video already. Adjust video. Now tap on video, go to effect and search linear streak. Add frame in the middle and both sides. You have to do as I am adjusting the graph. And duplicate effect. Then adjust the angle of one. Main was 82° angle. It's supposed to look like this boxy thing. Now export the video. If you do not understand, then watch the video backward. And if you not want to miss the upcoming tutorials, then keep subscribing to my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.